You probably know that Mahindra is actively working on the 5-door version of the Thar. Lately, they have been testing it upon the northern parts of India, especially at high altitudes. What you are watching now are some new spy shots of the 5-door Thar spotted in Leh, which is the capital of Ladakh. These pics give us a close-up look at the new Thar. Let's dive into these spy shots. The front of the Thar 5-door looks different with a new grille having vertical and horizontal insets. It has got circular LED projector headlamps with DRLs and LED 10 indicators right next to them. The front bumper has also been tweaked and there is a noticeable bump on the hood which might be a hood scoop. On the side, there are also some bumps and changes. But that could be because it is still a test model, or Mahindra might be introducing some new designs to the door like we have seen in their EV concept. Overall, the 5-door Thar looks pretty imposing on the road. Inside, the Thar 5-door is getting some updates with more comfort features. It is expected to have a new 10-inch floating infotainment system, and it might also come with new upholstery and HVAC controls, and also earlier spy shots show things like a sunroof and a center armrest. Now let us talk about what's under the hood powering the vehicle. It is likely to come with a 2-liter petrol engine producing 200 bhp of power and 370 Nm of torque, and a 2.2-liter diesel engine producing 172 bhp of power and 370 Nm of torque. And you will probably have the choice of a manual and automatic transmission for both engines. Mahindra has said they plan to launch this 5-door Thar in 2024, and judging by these spy shots, it seems pretty close to being ready for production. So we might see it on the roads in the first half of 2024. As for the price, it is expected to start at 19 lakh and go up to 24 lakh on road. Waiting for new updates? Mind to subscribe, and thanks for watching.